Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mitsubishi Outlander battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting. For your safety, always wear protective eyewear and gloves throughout the entire process. This helps prevent accidental shocks or chemical exposure. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Start by locating the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your wrench to loosen and remove this cable first. Then, find the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and disconnect it. Finally, unfasten any clamps or straps holding the battery in place, preparing it for removal. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. Be mindful of its weight, which can be around 30 to 40 pounds. Place your new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Double-check that all connections are tight, and then resecure the battery with its hold-down clamp or strap. After installing the new battery, start your Mitsubishi Outlander to confirm everything is working as expected. Check your dashboard for any warning lights and ensure all electrical components function properly. Remember to take your old battery to a certified recycling center. Many auto parts stores offer this service. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.